Have you ever had to juggle multiple clients on a single matter and struggled to keep everyone properly accounted for? Whether it's a couple going through estate planning or multiple stakeholders in a business deal, managing client relationships clearly and compliantly is critical. WiseOwl lets you seamlessly add multiple clients to a matter right from the start. Just head to the Clients and Contacts section of your existing or new matter and start building your client group. The first contact is always set as the primary. This is who will receive the bill and be the default contact. They'll appear at the top under Primary Client under the matter details. But you can easily add in other clients, whether they be spouses, business partners, or any other client party in seconds, using this Add Client button. And what happens when someone hasn't yet been added to your contact module? With WiseOwl, that's no problem. If you've searched for them and they're not appearing, you can press the plus button to quickly add them in without ever leaving the flow of your work. This will be done in a new tab that will automatically close once you have created that contact. From individuals to companies, WiseOwl supports all entity types, relationship mappings, and unique client structures, giving your firm the flexibility it needs without sacrificing clarity or control. Once your client is saved, you can redirect back to that Matters tab and then add them in as that extra client. If you're ready to reduce admin headaches and create more accurate, compliant files, start with WiseOwl.